This is a CURT 2 to 3 wire taillight converter. You have on the left hand side, you see on the very top left, it says right side stop and turn, and then ground and left side stop and turn. That's your green, your white, and your yellow leads are going to be coming from the car on the left hand side of this device. On the right hand side, exiting on the right hand side top is green, red, and yellow. The green is going to be your right turn signal only. When you go ahead and request a right turn signal, that'll illuminate. Your center in red will be your stop signal. That will be both left and right. And the bottom one is a left turn signal, which is your in yellow. And that will only illuminate your left turn signal. What happens is when you want to have a clean brake signal, it's going to come out of the center. So if you want to put another device like a third brake light or something like that, you can also have that come out clean just for brakes only. Otherwise, with a system that has left and right with only one wire to it, you'll have it interrupt and your third brake light will also flash when you have one left or right turn signal on. This device will allow your stop signal to be clean, which is the red wire that exits this device. So that is very handy if you want to go ahead and add that, because it doesn't have separate circuits, unlike some of the older devices. You had a bulb for left and a bulb for a stop signal. On some vehicles, it's both are incorporated. Left and right and stop are the same bulb. And that's what this device will divide that circuit. I'll go ahead and show you an example how we wired up a third brake light. It has a strobe to it. And this will give you an idea of how we use the stop circuit on this device. On this photo, we're showing the third brake light wired in where the hitch is, and then the other original factory lights are lit right now in the brake mode. And the following video, we're going to show you this third brake light, which has a strobe effect on it, working. Otherwise, if you don't have this device's 2 to 3 wiring, every time you request left or right turn signal, you'll also get your third brake light will come on. So you want to separate the left, the right, and then the center signals with this device. Since the bulbs, the left and the right and the brake lights are all wired into the same bulb, and they use the same only single bulb versus having two circuits for your separate bulbs. So on this next video, you're going to see a good example of how we use this device. So in this video, we have this wired up with the flasher warning third brake light, and then the CURT 2 to 3 wire. Right now we're in the hazard mode, and then what we'll do is we'll test it with brakes applied and not applied. So right now no brakes are applied, left turn signal is on without brakes. Then we'll do the right turn signal without brakes, and then we'll go ahead and apply the brakes, and then you'll see the flasher go 5 times, the warning, then go solid, put on the left turn signal, still applying the brakes, then the right turn signal, still applying the brakes. So this shows you this device mounted in this configuration. So this 2 to 3 wire taillight converter worked out perfect for us. We wanted a left turn signal or right turn signal that wasn't going to go ahead and interrupt the third brake light. And what we did, we wired into our trailer harness, the 4-pin connector, and then we wired that and plugged it in to an LED strobe brake light. So now the brake light only comes on when brakes are applied, that's the left and right bulb at the same time. There's a little relay that's inside of the converter, and that makes it all happen, and it really worked out well for us, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.